here in Port Angeles and we're getting ready to depart on the ferry boat to Victoria. Yay! Hopefully we're going to see some whales and some other wildlife. We made it to Victoria, British Columbia, the capital. Awesome! Back in Canada again. Yay! In Canada, you have to stop and get a beaver tail. They are delicious. Victoria is definitely a unique city with unique architectures. It's fantastic. There's even a church with the top of the castle on it. It's so cool. This is Mount Baker.